Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hacker Factory. Today we are going to discuss about the information gathering and the tools and the techniques that we used in the information gathering. So before going to the tools and the techniques, let's start with what is information gathering. So when we talk about information gathering, it means you have to gather the information about any target, any person, anything that you want that comes under your information gathering. So there are two types of information gathering. We have one, the passive information gathering, and the second we have active information gathering. When we talk about the passive information gathering, it means you have to identify the information without harming to any target. Like you have to sniff the information without harming to any target, and the information which is already accessible from any of the search domains. So that comes under your passive information gathering. Like we have a footprinting, this is a part of passive information gathering. And when we talk about active information gathering, it means you can use the automated scanning tools to identify the services and the ports that come under your active information gathering. And it's also known as a fingerprinting, right? So when we when we have information gathering techniques, there is the most popular framework comes under, that is OSINT. This is a open source intelligence framework where a thousand of tools which is used for the information gathering. You guys can see here, you can just visit osintframework.com and you can see the list of categories for which you can gather the information. Like there is a username, email, domain name, IP addresses, phone numbers. There are a lot of categories. When I click one of the categories like domain name, then it will divide it into the subcategories. Now here you guys can see who's code, subdomains, discovery. There are a lot of things, right? So for example, I have a task to identify information about the subdomains. What I will do, I will click on the subdomains and it will show me the result. It will show me the tools that is used for the subdomains information gathering. Like Accountant is there, right? Recon ng is there, GoBuster is there, the Harvester is there, and the Sublister is there. So these are the most of the popular tools that is used for the subdomains information gathering. In my next video, I will definitely show you how you can identify the subdomains information through these tools. So next, there are we have another things like email addresses. If you want to identify the email addresses of any target, then you just click on the email tab and there are subcategories, and those categories belongs to the tools. Like there is a that's them tool, the hunter is there, it is an email hunter. If I click just on the hunter, then it will redirect me to the hunter.io. You can just uh, hit or enter your target here and hit and on the search box, and you will identify the results that there are 31,960 email addresses found. So to view these email addresses, you guys have to just sign up into the application, and then you can see the information related to the email addresses, right? So there are other tools, like we have the people.com is there. This one is also one of the popular website which brings you the result related to the email names, location, etc. And the harvester is there. This one is a command line tool. I will tell you this regarding this tool in my next video. So again, there are a lot of tools, like we have the archives there, right? So we can click on the archives and you can see the list of archives. There is an internet archive where you can gather the result of an application, that when that application from when that application exists, what are the structure of that application. You guys just click on this particular tab and it will redirect you to archive.org. Right here you can just enter your target and you will see the structure and the changes that happen from the last time when the website comes in the market, right? So next we have the dark web is also there. You can connect with the different tools through dark web as well, but I mostly recommend to don't go for this because maybe kind of illegal parts. So we have also a tools right? So it will also contain some of the penetration testing tool, virtual machines. You can click on this and find out what the information it has. And we have also encoding and decoding tool like base 64 is there, php, xor, cyberchef. So you can use these tools as well as to decode any of the encoding, encryption, or hashing. So here we have another tool for the malicious file analysis. You can also see those tools, right? So this is what the OSNT framework contains, the list of the tools and the frameworks that we can use for our passive information gathering, right? So thank you guys. I hope you would like my session.